In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your cart page title fast and easy. If you're looking to personalize your WordPress website a little more and make it align with your brand's tone or style, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in and make that cart page truly yours. First things first, start by heading over to your WordPress site and logging in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is essentially your command center where you can adjust settings, add content, and generally tweak your site to your heart's content. Next, you'll want to locate the Pages section in the sidebar. The sidebar is on your left-hand side, and Pages is where all the static pages of your site, like the home page, contact page, and of course the cart page, live. Clicking on Pages will bring up a list of all the pages you currently have on your website. Now, scroll through your list of pages to find the one labeled Cart. Once you've located your cart page, click in Sichtschaltstyle. Click on the Edit link that appears when you hover over the page title. This action will take you to the page editor, where you can change various elements of your cart page. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a field labeled Title at the top. This is where the magic happens. Simply click into this field and modify the text to whatever you see fit. Maybe you want it to be straightforward and call it Shopping Basket, or add a little whimsy with something like Your Fabulous Finds. The choice is yours, and this is your opportunity to convey a little personality directly to your visitors. Now, if you're using a page builder plugin like Elementor or Beaver Builder, you have the option to further customize the look and feel of your cart page. Page builders provide an intuitive drag and drop interface that makes designing your page a lot more visual. This step is optional, but it's a fantastic way to beef up your page and make it more engaging. After you've made all these adjustments, the final step is to hit that Save button. You will usually find this button towards the top right of the editor. Clicking Save commits all the changes you've made to the site. Once saved, these changes will be live for everyone visiting your site to see. And there you have it. Your cart page now has a fresh title, and if you opted to use a page builder, perhaps a revamped look as well. Remember, customizations like these not only help with branding, but also improve the user experience by making your site look polished and professional. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this process was as fast and easy as promised.